Okay guys, today we're going to be growing some goji berries.
So I've gone down to the grocery store and picked up some plain old goji berries. Any goji berries will do, and I've set them in a bowl. So now I need to get the seeds out, and in order to do that, we're going to soak it in water for about half an hour. Warm water is better if you are in a rush, but we'll just give those a nice amount of water. And I'm going to let those soak, and we'll be back in half an hour. Okay, so we have our goji berries here. Oh, what's this all about? Shit. There we go. So we have our goji berries, and they've soaked up. They're really plump and mushy. Now we just mash them up with your fingers. Just give them a serious mashing. Just rub them in between your fingers and just mix it back in with that water. That is going to loosen the seeds. Wow, smells like gojis. You can see. Just give it a really good smash. Okay, so now we have this soup, and we've let it settle for just a minute. And I'm going to carefully pour off all of this, and the light parts should be just sort of going off with it. And now you can see, there we've got our separated goji seeds out of the pod. Okay, so it's time for the easy part. I have my seeds here and a little peat pellet here. Those work really well for me. So what I like to do is surface sow my gojis because it's so easy. And if you want to just give them a little push in as well, just for support, that works. So I just sort of spread my seeds over the top. And as you can see, they're all right there. That'll work great. And now we wait. Put this in the sun, maybe under a humidity dome for about a week to 2 weeks. And you will have something quite like this. These little goji seedlings here are about 2-3 days old, and they came up after about a week. And these were actually planted from bulk barn goji berries. So these things are really easy to grow. I have almost 100% germination rate. Then we leave this to grow, and you are going to get a lovely goji berry plant here, just like this one. This one is just a few months old, and I've clipped the top so that it's going to give me a bit bushier growth, because goji is notorious for being this lanky mess. But it is so easy to grow your own gojis at home. As you can see, it's pretty much just 3 steps. Takes no time at all, and it's really fun, and it's great to have goji berries.